So welcome back to another Rocket of the Day video. It's ModelRock321. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumb up button, drop a comment. Today's Rocket of the Day is the SD Space Shuttle. This is the vintage one, not the new little foam glider they made. This is the one that it's a little bit bigger, and this is a plastic shell you had to build, and it has a working rudder. You have to pull this string and you lock it in place once you get it trimmed. But yeah, this is actually, if you've not been around, I've had a crash of this. It wasn't my original build. I acquired these kits, this one anyway, and I flew it and had a crash. Flew okay. I think the glider had a crash first, but then the booster section did recover good. And then the next time it all stayed together and it crashed again. So this is actually a restore. If you go back, you can check. I had to remold this nose. I got a little vacuum forming machine. I redid the nose, and now it's a shelf queen because I did it so well and I like it so much. I do not want to fly it again. I did all this detailing on here, made it accurately. I looked at images and stuff and got it pretty scale. Got new decals. I made it Atlantis, which is my favorite shuttle. Got the NASA meatball logo in the right place. Atlantis on the wing right there in the right place. I remolded some of these nozzles, took everything apart, repainted it, glued it. Got the gray on the edge of those tiles, flat black on the bottom, and I made it really nice. I mean, I'm really proud of this one. Decals, I only kept the windows from the original ones that I bought. I ordered decals from Sticker Shock. I like Sticker Shock, but when it comes to scale, I just wanted something a little more scale and thinner, so I did what I wanted to do. Some people were saying, don't do it, but I went and I pulled them off and I used the thinner decals because that's what I wanted to do, and that's the way I wanted it, so I did it. And yeah, solid rocket booster section, this is all just vinyl tape. I just cut these strips and went around and made those O-rings. You got those little eject, I believe that's, I don't know what those are called. I forget what those 4 holes, I just looked on them, I forgot. I saw the name on them before, I forgot. But anyway, it attaches like so. It's a hole there and then 2 holes here, and it hooks on. Put your engine will go right there, and not where it's supposed to go, it will go right there just for balance and stuff. There are flight fins, which I can get. They're right here. I'll get one because I don't want to keep reaching over. So these are flight fins. You have 2 of these, one going here. If you're new, many of you are new, some of you have been around. So you got your 2 flight fins, one go in there and then one go on the other side to keep it stable. And it flew really nice. It flies nice and stable. Just needed that glide to happen and it would have made it a nice flight. But this one will probably not see the sky again. Like I said, it's a shelf queen. I really like it a lot. Made it Atlantis. Got Atlantis on both sides right there. Extra detailing and stuff like that you don't get in the Estes kit, the original one and the newer one. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. Yeah, just went and I changed a lot around because the original decals had things that were just out of place, the original scheme and original paint scheme. So I just went and I just looked at plans and stuff. I have a Rocket to the World. It has detailed illustrations of the shuttle and the whole schematics for it, and it shows you everything. I also remade this tail because the original tail that I had was bent. So I've molded 2 pieces of styrene plastic. I don't know if I molded. No, I molded. I didn't mold them. I cut styrene and I shaped it for the air brake and everything. So I did that. But yeah, it worked out good. I mean, I'm really happy with this one. It is a shelf queen, one of my only shelf queens. At least it did see the sky a couple times. And now it is retired like the real shuttles. And this is another Rocket of the Day. These is the vintage kit. You can find these on eBay. They go for a lot of money when you find them sealed. And when you find them not sealed, because they're already built, people charge a little more. So hit that subscribe button. Also, discount at Estes, IN_321. Put that in your shopping cart at checkout. And I appreciate you guys dropping comments. Check the past videos. If you're new, this did fly. Had a couple crashes, but it did fly. It's ModelRock321, and I am out. I'll be back. Wrong video. Wrong movie.